What you doing, buddy?
Oh, just seasoning up some steaks. Look at that. Look at the marbling on that.
That's beautiful. I'd eat it. What are you putting on them?
Well, I seasoned the bone-in ribeye with some simple SPG, and we're gonna go on with the steak rub.
Beautiful. All sale now in the UK at prosmoke.com.
Do you want me to say that again?
Yeah.
ProSmokeBBQ.uk.co.uk.
Sorry. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Chuds BBQ. My name is Bradley Robinson, and today we are no longer in Ireland. We have crossed the Irish Sea to the lovely land of England. We are in Bicester with Dave. How you doing, buddy?
Very good.
Wilson's Barbecue here on YouTube. Please go like and subscribe. My favorite barbecue channel on YouTube.
Do it.
Do it. But yes, we are in England for the next few days. We're in Bicester, Banbury, Oxfordshire region.
That's right.
For the next 5 days or so, because we are doing a barbecue class and a barbecue meet and greet. Dave, what are we cooking tomorrow?
We are cooking beef cheeks, brisket, skin on pork belly, pork steaks, chicken thighs, chicken wings, L&L burgers.
When you say it all like that, that's a lot.
Yeah.
We've been working on our to-do list over here for the class tomorrow, and yeah, we're getting there. But as always, joined with Nick.
Hey.
And Matt James.
Heyo.
OS BBQ, old style barbecue up in Canada. Go follow him on Instagram, OS BBQ. OS barbecue spelled out
With a Q?
with a Q.
With a Q.
If you're in another country, I'm okay with it. But we left Dublin yesterday. We flew over to Birmingham.
Lovely.
The lovely Birmingham. Stayed at Hotel Duveen, same hotel we stayed at last year because we loved it. That was like one of the highlights of England.
Yeah.
Beautiful hotel.
It was fantastic. It's great.
Best shower I've ever had in my life. But we're doing a Chud box class for all the people that bought a Chud box through Ollie at Pro Smoke in Banbury. And I think it's a decent amount of people, like 17, 20 people.
Yeah.
And anyone who bought a Chud box gets a free class with us where we're cooking all the aforementioned things.
Pre-orders are still open for the next batch.
Pre-orders are still open. If you're anywhere near the UK, prosmoke.eu.
ProSmokeBBQ.co.uk.
Show the people how to use their new Chud boxes. Cooking chicken thighs, beef ribs, chicken wings, pork steaks, and whatever else we got to do. Then we're doing a meet and greet on Sunday where we're going to be slicing up some brisket, beef cheeks, L&L burgers, and it's going to be a good time. But boys, what are we doing tonight?
So we got a Cote de Boeuf from John Davidson's, who's actually sponsoring the meet and greet on Sunday.
Oh, very nice.
So go online, check him out. Some of the best meat in the UK. And then we've got a Meat Matters ex-dairy sirloin that looks delicious.
Gotta love it. For those that don't know, Wilson's Barbecue is named after this little guy. Look at Wilson back there. Cute little guy. But we're cooking on Dave's personal Chud box for this class, as well as the one at Pro Smoke. So we're gonna load this into a van real quick. Let me know if you guys need a hand.
Yeah.
So we're doing beef ribs for this class as well, but just because of space and timing, we cooked some beef ribs ahead of time. And by that, I mean Dave cooked some beef ribs ahead of time because they hot hold really well. And there they are in a foil boat. They look good. How's the cook?
It was good. Lots of grease.
Yeah, a lot of grease fires when you flip them. Have you cooked direct heat beef ribs before?
Nope.
How'd it go?
It was pretty good.
Yeah,
They
easy.
didn't look great.
Yeah.
They don't look like beef ribs that I'm used to, but they're nice crispy fat on there. I think they're going to be good.
They're gonna be tasty.
Yeah.
But 5 hour cook?
5.5 hour cook.
So easy. Guys, I thought we were loading a Chud box. What happened?
Seems
We
like
loaded
it already is in the van.
Oh.
Chatting over here.
Oh no, I was filming. Still filming while they load that warmer. I was gonna say, we did this exact same thing in the same place, but 1 year ago.
On the same grill.
Yeah, same meat too. Mm-hmm. I've been saying this is the Chuds BBQ European Adventure Season 2.
Yeah.
Because we're pretty much following the same path.
I'm all about the bone-in.
Is that from a primal standpoint or a cooking standpoint?
Cooking standpoint, and, you know, it holds it all together.
Mm-hmm. This is a little less exciting than cooking in a fireplace in a castle, though.
Yeah.
Is that a custom Wilson's barbecue knife?
Yes, it is. By Savanac Knives in the UK.
Beauty. Bye. Instant review. Real question. Does it need some Bovril? But we're not going to know if this steak is really good until we do the official taste test. Dave, what kind of link we got here?
Oaxaca Serrano.
I watched your video about these, and you kept saying that this is the best sausage you've ever made.
It legit was, honestly.
Instant review. According
Nice
to
heat, super moist. They got a little bit of heat to them on the back end though.
Yeah, pickled serranos.
Ooh, pickle serranos.
bottoms up. Oh,
It's hot.
temperature hot.
Yeah, temperature hot.
Dude, that pepper flavor is phenomenal. Juicy, cheesy. Man knows how to make a good sausage. That is truly a fantastic sausage.
Thank you.
I might have to steal that recipe.
It's really good. It has a good amount of heat.
That cheese, UK Oaxaca. Who knew? Buffalo on wheat. Crack of 6 a.m. made it to Pro Smoke here in Banbury. Barbecue supply shop, if you're unaware. We've been working with Ollie for the last little bit, selling our Chud rubs, Chud boxes, and all things. But of course, he sells a lot of barbecue stuff. He is a fantastic barbecue supply shop here in the UK. Got Franklin stuff, Chud stuff, Yetis, Napoleons, all the things you'd ever need. And if we come on in, let's see what Dave is doing. How are you, Sunshine?
All good.
Doing all right.
Oh yeah.
What do you got going on in here?
Prepping up some beef cheeks.
Beautiful. Pre-trimmed.
Yeah, I mean they can be rounded off a little bit, but
What else is on the menu? We got these briskets we're gonna get trimmed up here in a second. Got some pork belly we gotta take a look at. Gotta get some pork steaks cut and get some fire in the air. Brisket number 1, all trimmed up. Dave, how's it looking?
looking good. Looking real good.
Honestly, not bad for a choice brisket too.
Yeah, some real nice bubbling in the flat there.
What kind of brisket is this?
This is a Creekstone choice brisket from John Davidson's.
I'm saying, where do you get a Creekstone brisket?
Well, there's a few places you can get them, but John Davidson's do a huge range of barbecue specialty meats, so it's kind of a one-stop shop. Briskets, ribs, pork butts, everything you could want for the barbecue.
How'd you rate this brisket trim, 1 to 10?
It's got to be solid 8, 8.5.
You're fired. Got this pit, what is this, 250?
250, yeah.
Shirley loaded up with 2 Creekstone briskets and a bunch of beautiful beef cheeks. And, oh, the pork belly's on already too? Very nice. Man, these are the ribs that got trimmed off the pork belly because it was bone in.
Yeah.
But yeah, all filled up. Next thing up on the agenda, pork steaks. We got these big, beautiful pork butts. They are massive. Are they always this big?
No. No.
Got the old bone saw out, cut some nice, thick, bad Larry's. Big, fat pork steaks hitting the grill. On second thought, now I'm a little concerned if we're going to fit them all. Beautiful. Oh yeah, we got this all day long. All day. Gotta love a Chud box full of pork steaks. Just took all that brisket trim and knocked out a bunch of L&L burgers. How's the burger life treating you, James?
Repetitive, but good.
Yeah, we got Meatball Mountain over here. A lot of burgers. Well, that is for tomorrow's meet and greet we're doing, which is why we got beef cheeks and briskets cooking and L&L burgers, so that should be good. Getting all this prep done today is a good thing. Class should kick off in a couple hours. Let's check in on these pork steaks. How we looking, Dave? Ooh, very nice. Smells good. It's a little dark, but that mop will take care of it. Beautiful. Getting the mop sauce going. Onions, garlic, butter, cooking down. Gonna keep it pretty classic today. No Miller Lite though. We'll see what they got. All right, Dave. It's like 10:30, 10:45.
Yeah.
How are we feeling?
Good. Cheeks are looking good. Good bark.
Cheeks
Color.
look great.
Yeah.
They're done already. Briskets are barking up early too. Happy about that.
Yeah,
Pork
good.
belly's pulling back.
Yeah. Check that pork belly down.
Beautiful. What do you got there, bud?
Bacon roll. Matt made it.
Ooh,
Really good.
coming up. But at this point, pork steaks are looking good. We just temped them, rocking around 145, 150. Mop sauce is done. First mop is on. We're just gonna keep mopping. Getting some folks showing up. Hello. These are looking good, bud.
This smells.
You cannot beat the direct heat. Evan, how are the cheeks looking?
I think they look good.
Tell me what you did so far.
I have done nothing. I drank a Stella. I ate a, what do we call it, a bacon bun? Bacon roll. That was really good. Having a great time here so far. Really not doing much work. So
Isn't it great though?
I'm gonna keep doing that.
Also, side note, since we've seen Evan last, fresh haircut,
Yeah, saving a haircut, 2 bits.
mustache is poking. Mm-hmm. You went down to
Go
Metopia
proper fade.
while we were in Birmingham.
Birmingham.
There's too many B's. Bicester, Birmingham, and Banbury. I can't keep it straight. But class is about to kick off. Are you ready?
Class about to kick off. I'm so ready. Metopia was great. Great venue. Great team we put together there. You'll see all that stuff on my video.
I was gonna say, go check out Evan's channel, the Roy and Lewis Barbecue.
Like and subscribe.
If you go back in time on his channel, you'll see a lot of me too. Bonus Chud footage. But yeah, I missed out on Metopia this year.
That's okay.
It's all right. I went last year.
Yeah.
It's all good.
It was a lot of fun.
But today we're doing some classic direct heat barbecue cook. So we're gonna get this bone side down. The bone will help protect the meat, get it cooked thoroughly, and then when we flip it, we can get that skin started to crisp, and then we can get that mop sauce ready, which will really help add some more flavor, tenderize it, and all that good stuff, and give us all of that wonderful direct heat flavor. refrigerator.
Do you like to kind of like shape them up a little bit like that if you're like cooking them, or like flatten them out?
I like to flatten them out, again, just because
Yeah.
if this is exposed,
Yeah.
that's going to get super crispy. If it's under here, it's going to kind of get a lot of steam trapped in there.
Anybody want to jump in and mop them?
Just up and down, not much to it.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
You put any wood in with your coals?
No wood, no. You can if you'd like to.
Yeah, I always try. Half meat and this is the second one.
Chicken thighs looking good. Snake bite on this side. We got chicken rub on the underside, and by that I mean the skin side. Taking a little breather from the class, just letting some meat cook. Might mop these, might not. Can't decide.
You're gonna mop them?
I think we should, just because I just made it. But we also got it on the pork steak. And these are looking crispy.
Well, we let those rubs show.
Look at that. Beautiful. Telling you about looking nice and crunchy. So off these come. Loving the color on these, not gonna lie. Such a quick cook too.
So how did you season them?
So this underside, these are upside down right now. So this is the skin side. That's got our new chicken rub on it, the Chud's poultry rub. And then the underside that you're looking at has the snake bite on it, which is a little bit more spicy. It's got some heat to it, but it's also got more paprika and color to it. So these are served with some pickles that Dave made using Evan's recipe from Leroy and Lewis. We've also got some barbecue sauce and some hot sauce. And if you feel frisky, you can just dip it right into the mop sauce.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Look at that. That's what you want right there.
so crispy. Pork steaks are off and served. I'm not sure if we got any footage of that because Bones forgot he was my cameraman, but it's hard to film myself when I'm using a knife, you know what I mean? Crispy skin pork belly is off, getting served right now. Chicken was a big success, very tasty stuff. So really, I think all that's left is some direct heat beef ribs, maybe another beer. How's it looking? Looks very good. Oh man, did you just lose a tooth? What do you think?
Crunchy, greasy, delicious.
That's barbecue in a nutshell.
Very good. Good work, Matt James.
Yeah. Good.
Matt James. Oops. Oh no. All right, these are some direct heat beef ribs cooked by Dave. We did them yesterday because they take a while and space. Dave, what'd you do?
2 parts pepper, 1 part salt. Cooked on the chub box, bone side down for really 80% of the cook. Those bones will protect that meat pretty well, and then you've got the fat calf on top. Like normally, if I'm cooking on the offset, I'll take the fat off and I'll get down to the silver skin, take the silver skin off, just because I don't like the way it cooks up on an offset. But for these, all I did was take down the fat where it was really thick. Otherwise, yeah, full fat cup on there.
What temp were you going at on that?
What, on the chub box?
Yeah, on the chop box.
About 300 Fahrenheit, 150 Celsius, and I just let them ride until they were probe tender. Flipped them in the last maybe hour or so, got a little grease fire, flipped them back over, and yeah, we're all good. So,
Beauty.
an offset style rib, so we can get some nice cross sections in there. You can see at the bottom that direct, like bottom up heat is crisped up that membrane nicely.
Beefy. Smoky. Tender. Juicy. How is it?
Luxurious.
Evan, did you hear that lady ask me how I came up with the idea for the foil boat?
No, I didn't.
Evan, is this your first foil boat in the UK?
It is.
Wow. Beautiful. Day 2 here at Pro Smoke. Class went well yesterday.
Going very well.
And
All the food was very good.
it was good. People were happy.
Oh, yeah.
Weather held out.
Sarah brought us some gifts.
Sarah brought us some great gifts. We'll talk about that in a minute. Nice bottle of
Welsh whiskey.
But we did not go out last night and we did not indulge too much. We all feel great this morning. But we got the pits loaded up. We got 2 Chud boxes here, chock full of chicken wings. I've never seen a more full Chud box. Both of these are full. Snake bite wings, obviously. What's on the offset, Evan?
I've got a bunch of L&L burgers. 40 half-pound L&L burgers chilling on there.
There they are.
Just put some chicken thighs down.
Should be a good feast.
Cheeks
So
on
this
deck, brisket on deck.
Yep, cheeks, pulled pork, brisket, beef cheeks.
Got some kimchi.
Oh, very nice. People should be showing up here any minute. There's like 30 people, is that right? Meet and greet, Pro Smoke. Should be a pretty easy day, right guys?
Yep, definitely.
How you feeling, Ollie?
Yeah, not too bad today, not too bad. Bit fragile on the edges.
A little bit. We'll get there. It's a lot of chicken wings. Getting there, coming along. Almost time to start mopping.
Yeah.
How the burgers looking?
They get in there.
From the
Is this some English beef?
It is English beef.
So now you've cooked an Irish L&L burger and an English L&L burger. Same
That's right, that's right.
What's the order of operations today? Starting with some pulled pork.
Pulled pork, corn tacos, brisket burritos, open burgers.
The pico's going on the brisket.
Pico's going on the brisket.
Beet
Yeah.
sauce on the pulled pork. At some point these wings will be ready, probably pretty soon. We can get those out. Burgers are almost done. Then what else is there? Beef cheeks?
We've got, beef cheeks on Martin's, beef barbecue sauce and kimchi.
Nice. Shout out Martin's. And that should do us, right? We got that pork belly too.
Oh yeah.
Got some chicken thighs. As soon as the wings are off, we'll get them crispy. Because everybody loves crispy pork belly. Burgers off the pit.
Burger time, baby.
Love it. How the wings looking?
Wings are looking great. They're coming off.
Beautiful. Snake bite, little mop sauce.
Snake
That's all
bite
you
pop
need.
sauce.
Pulled pork taco time.
Oh yeah.
What's going on these bad boys?
We're gonna go pulled pork, a little bit of beef barbecue sauce. Cooked on the offset yesterday.
I mean, tacos and a big pile of wings. Happy guy. Burger station. Bun toastage. Toasty. I will say I like these 30 people and under events. Yeah. You know, compared to the barbecue festivals we've been doing. This is very manageable. That's a lot of burgers.
Oh yeah.
How are the burgers?
Oh, they're good, Brad. Amazing.
Let me see that
So good,
inside.
man.
Oh yeah.
Just get a drift of that.
Beautiful. I can smell the dry age on that burger from here too.
Good, man.
Yeah.
So good.
Love it. I think we're almost out of food. We're about to slice up some briskets, put them on these big old tortillas. They look pretty good. Where'd you get these?
Masafina.
They look nice and fatty, don't they? You can see through them pretty much.
I know Brad does a lot on the videos for camera. It is one of my biggest pet peeves. Do not pour this shit on top of here. You're gonna ruin the crust that we worked so hard for. Okay?
No.
That's why I say oops, oh no. It's because I know
It's so
Evan
good.
hates it.
It's so good. Get through the meat, and then at the very end, drag the tip of that knife. And there we go. Voila. Nice and juicy. Looks super good. Even though this is already super juicy, the best thing to do with this stuff over here, by the way, perfect cook on it, is do this. Just dunk those in there. Look at how juicy that looks now. That looks really, really good. And we trimmed it correctly. We took out that big chunk of fat. It's not just like staring at us right there.
How they feeling?
Great. Very, very good. I think, I mean, honestly, pretty perfectly cooked for having like put it on them yesterday. They rested down to be perfect. Like, I mean, look at that.
Beautiful. Nice and barky.
Beautiful.
You happy with the cook?
Yeah, real good. He should be. He should be.
Juicy. You sauced it up, huh?
Yeah, I've been mopping it.
Very nice.
It's quite tasty.
More crispy belly. Nothing wrong with that. Briskets were a big success, even after a pretty quick cook on them. They turned out really good, nice and juicy, well seasoned too. Secret salt, on sale now. On sale now here, actually. But now all that's left is that crispy skin belly and some beef cheeks, and that is gonna wrap it for this one. Cheeky.
That's really what you're after right there. Looks fantastic.
Class is wrapping up, beef cheeks are eaten, briskets are done. How's the day, boys?
So good. So good.
It hit me on a spiritual level.
I just got hit on a spirit level with some Cotswolds. Cotswolds?
Cotswolds.
It's so good. He said this is a single malt that tastes like a bourbon and can confirm, very sweet, very tasty stuff. And you know what? Somehow I feel a lot better already. Thank you, appreciate it. All right, y'all, and that is it. That is the UK barbecue class at Pro Smoke here in Banbury, England. Big shout out to Ollie at Pro Smoke. Thank you for having us out. We had a great time. Big shout out to Dave from Wilson's Barbecue. He did a lot of work behind the scenes getting this stuff ready. And the whole team was just fantastic. You know, Evan and Matt and Connor and James and Nick, everyone worked really hard to get this thing done, and we just had a really great time. A lot of cool people at the class, had a lot of great conversations. Everyone was super friendly, and I'm glad to see the spirit of barbecue is alive and well here in England. But all that being said, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting that subscribe button. Let YouTube know by dropping a like on this video. If it caught you at the class, it was great hanging out. Big shout out to all the Patreon members. Thank you for supporting Team Chud and allowing me to keep making all these videos. And until the next time I see you, please go cook someone outside. Peace.